What's up, fam? In this video I'll be unboxing the ONN Google TV 4K streaming box. Now, in case you don't know, ONN is a Walmart brand and they make everything from TVs, headphones, anything electrical, and they sell it for a fraction of the price. Unlike the Google Chrome 4K that sells for $49.99, you got the TV 4K. This one they sell it for $19.99, and it comes with some amazing specs. It comes with Chromecast built-in, Dolby audio, and it comes to the HDMI port. Pretty much simple, right? And you got all the functions of Google, so you can go and download apps and do live streaming. And it's a very simple box. There's the information right here, the ONN on the side, and on the back it gives the information where it's a 4K UHD resolution TV streaming, easy setup with your Google account, all of that stuff. Who is this basically for? For those that have like projectors or old TV that's not smart TVs, and they just want a nice streaming box to stream their favorite apps. This is for you. Or if you got a smart TV and you just want a streaming box, it can still be up to you. This is for everyone, but I think it works best for people that don't have nothing smart in their home, like their smart TV. I have a projector and I use my projector a lot, so this will suit best for me, because like I said, you run Google, and you can with Google you can download many apps, as you can see right here: the Netflix, YouTube, your Paramount, your Stars, your Amazon Prime Video, all that stuff. So let's open the box and see what's inside this box right here. Open it up real quick. Nice and simple. Alright, let's slide this out. A box within a box. Alright, let's see where we open it. Okay, we open from the side, and it greets you with this nice little booklet right here: ONN 4K streaming box quick starter guide. So I'm gonna put that to the side. So in the box comes the nice little power adapter. This basically AC adapter is like 100 to 240 volts with a USB type B. I thought they would use C, but apparently it's a cheap brand, so they have to go with the cheapest form of connection, type B. Let's put this to the side first. Let's see what else comes inside the box. Oh, it comes with a nice USB HDMI cable, and looking at the specs right here on the HDMI cable, I don't think it's a high-speed cable, but this says something right here. Oh yeah, it's a high speed. So basically, since it's a 4K device, they got to give you a high-speed HDMI cable to maximize that 4K signal that's coming. And it says right here also cable with Ethernet. That's pretty interesting. I'll put that to the side. Comes with a nice simple white remote. That's pretty nice. It's almost similar to the Google Chrome. Let me show you real quick. This is the Google Chrome remote, and this is the ONN remote. See how similar it is? You got the big old round YouTube button for the Google Chrome, and the ONN is just a nice button. All the buttons are just laid out. The only difference between the ONN and the Google Chrome, you got the Disney Plus button and the Paramount button. Unlike the Google Chrome, it doesn't have it. You just got a power button and a source button right here. Same circular. One is black, one is white. And this one got the button. You could hold it and say, "Hey Google." This is your profile, I think. Your settings, source, power. Very identical. And surprisingly, it comes with a battery. It comes with a battery. Most of these devices, they don't come with batteries now, but this for $20 product comes with battery. I give it a big thumbs up right there for that. All right, let's get the battery out of it. It doesn't matter if it's a cheap battery, good battery, as long as it comes with batteries, that's a plus. So let's just look at the device in hand, and you can see this is the device right here. It's very lightweight. The battery keeps sliding all over my table. It's a very lightweight device, and it looks like a hockey puck. It's got the company logo right here, ONN dot, and it's got the USB type B connection right there, the HDMI in the back, and I believe this button right here is probably the power button. Let me see. It's clickable, so it could be the power button, or it could be a Bluetooth button. We don't know. But this is the HDMI port, and this is the LED. This is not LED. This is the indicator right here. Let's see what this is here on the bottom. That's basically it. And the material, it looks like a hockey puck, and it feels cheap. Well, $19.99. What do you expect? All right. So let's just open the quick guide and see if there's any important information that we should look at. So the quick guide, it give you all the information right here. Adhesive tape. Oh, adhesive tape. Where is it? Oh, it doesn't even matter right now. So this is everything that comes within the package right here. As to show you, you have the button to release. Oh, so this right here is adhesive tape. You just got to tear it off. I can stick it to whatever. Okay, I see. That's pretty easy. The remote control, everything right here, and the setup guide. All right, so let me go ahead, connect this device right here to my projector. If you hear like a fan sound, that's from the projector behind me. Connecting those two AAA batteries that's come with the device. And I like this remote better than the Google Chrome remote. And the button is flashing already. See, that's pretty tight. All right, let me go ahead and connect up this bad boy, and let's see what we're working with. I'm very close to my projector, so if you hear any sound, any noise, that's the sound from the projector. So I'm going to connect the HDMI cord onto my projector. And it goes straight to 4K. Look at that. That's tight. Straight to 4K at 60 FPS. That's the speed of my projector. So we're just going to do some setup real quick. I'm just going to set this up real quick, and I'll be right back. But this controller feels very, very good. I just want to show you. You see right there on the screen, if you look carefully, it says Walmart ONN 4K streaming box. So I'm telling you, this is a Walmart brand. But so far, this thing has booted up faster than the Google Chrome 4K, which is surprisingly. So I just wanted you guys to know that this is a Walmart brand. You can see it right here on the bottom. So I'm going to let it finish doing setup process, because it's doing some update right now. And then we're going to take it from there. Now on with the setup process. But there's something I failed to mention about this device right here. The device for the specs, again, 4K ultra high definition resolution, Dolby audio. The CPU is a quad-core Cortex A35 GPU with a Mali G31 MP2. Got 2 GB of RAM with 8 GB storage. The Wi-Fi 2.4 to 5 AC MMO input, AC 124 volts, 50 to 60 HS. That's pretty much it. Okay, let's just go into the setup process right here. I'm gonna set it up real quick. It's gonna confirm some apps. So it goes, you can actually set up your controller. You can sync. My brand projector is not there because it's for TV. So I just skip all of this. Not now. Gonna do is gonna go ahead and install my apps. And then we'll see what it looks like picture wise. And another thing I want to add. Remember earlier I see on the TV box where it says about adhesive, that I'm gonna make a correction. This little piece came in the box. This is the adhesive. You're gonna put it at the circle, and then we do a thing. So anyhow, let's go ahead and see what it's got to offer. Start exploring, and right off the jump, I'll just turn the light on in my room. You know what I'm saying? Because of the camera, things look fuzzy than what it is. But let me just move the projector over a little bit more to the side. And this projector, I love it because even in a room that's full of light, it looks great. But scrolling through, pretty the same like pretty much the same like the Google Chrome, same thing. But one thing I like about this box right here is a little bit on the sluggish side, maybe because of the Mali GPU that it uses or whatever it is, or maybe because you use 2 GB of RAM. because it's a little bit sluggish than the Google Chrome. But I guess afterwards, when it gets warm up, it starts moving more fluid. The thing I like about this compared to the Google Chrome, let me just zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. One thing I like about this than the Google Chrome, with the Google Chrome, it goes straight to 1080p on my projector. With this right here, with the ONN, it goes straight into 4K because my projector supports 4K, and that's pretty cool. And you can see right here in the resolution is 4K at 59.94, so that's almost 60. So let's just see if there's any other resolution I can switch to. No, I don't see anything there. So right there it says you can select HDR. It does not support Dolby Vision, and you can select match content frame rate. No, I won't do all of that. For the sound, as sound setting, you can enable some formats for the sound. It's pretty much the same format like the Google Chrome 4K, but I just like the way it does looks for the highest signal and connect to the highest signal, unlike the Google Chrome where it starts off at 1080p and you got to search for 4K and put it in 4K. So this get a heads up for me, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So let me just go connect to my favorite anime, see what it looks like. I'll just end the video. In case you may be wondering, the color of my wall is cream. It's not a white wall, but this looks good. So I'm just going to do a few seconds of my favorite anime, Yu-Gi-Oh, and just end the video right there. And it looks very good, and I'm able to control the volume of my projector easy. This looks fantastic for $19.99. This is wow, this looks great. This looks great. I'm just going to end the video right now, and there it is, the ONN 4K streaming box for $19.99. I was not expecting nothing from it, but it blew my mind. In my opinion, to me it performs better than the Google Chrome 4K. The only thing is, I'm not so sure about the specs of the Google Chrome 4K. I got to look into it, but Google Chrome 4K uploads a little bit faster because this only got 2 GB of RAM. But once it gets warmed up, it goes through everything smooth and fast. And one thing I like about this, oh, I forgot to show you. Earlier when we were talking about the adhesive, this is what comes in the box. You're going to peel it and put it on here, and you can stick it to anything, your table, your TV, whatever you want to stick it on. Yeah, like I was saying, one thing I like about this compared to the Google Chrome 4K, once I connect it to my projector, it automatically goes to the highest signal that's the projector supported, which is 4K. Unlike the Google, it starts right off at 1080p. You have to go into the options and select 4K. This for 20 bucks, it's a tough decision, but for 20 bucks you get it a great deal. All the functions of Android TV, even though it's a Google TV, but it's still using Android, all the functions, all the apps and everything for the fraction of the price. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Despite the fact that it's 20 bucks, you got cheap materials, it performs exceptionally well. As you can see for the picture itself, it looks great. I'm impressed. This is a buy right here. If you're looking for an affordable streaming box, other than the Fire Sticks and all of that, this is a must-have. No wonder it's always sold out at Walmart. People be snatching these things up because they're very good for the price. Anyhow, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, and share, and leave your comments. Let me know what you think about the ONN 4K streaming box. Thanks for tuning in.